Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Google form with photo upload. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a Google form, and first of all, I'm going to add new question to this Google form. So I'm going to click on this plus icon to create new question, and then I'm going to go to this menu and I'm going to select file upload. Okay, and wait guys. Okay, and this is the format for file upload, and if you want to allow your participant to upload a photo, you can set the file types right here. I'm going to activate this menu, allow only specific file types, and I'm going to select image. Okay, and here you can set the maximum number of files and also maximum file size. Okay, and this is the result guys, and you can customize your Google form according to your needs. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create Google form with photo upload. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.